God po for this year 2025 that came. I will say that this year is a tough battle for my faith, and it has been 3 years na nagsereso ako sa faith when I was 17, but this year was special. This year started that the Lord has allowed me and empowered me to lead the campus ministry, but when the half of the year came, July, I stepped down in the ministry, and I also want to thank God na hindi lang dun sa highest siya na nakakasama, hindi lang siya dun sa highest na nag-empower, but even to those lowest points of my faith, He has always been there. And I want to praise God for this community, for the people that sumama sa akin journey, even in my lowest points. And I want to praise God that after I've rested for a month or two in the ministry, evident pa rin yung power ng Lord, that He can always empower and that He can always enable. And as I came back in the ministry, I praise God na yung isa rin sa mga sinabi ko sa mga disciple ko, I praise God to their lives as they continuously to grow, hindi lang physically but also emotionally and spiritually. And praise God then that the Lord has enabled our family, me and my brother, to serve here in PBCF even to the next generation. And praise God then that the Lord has enabled my mother and father to serve in other church. So praise God po doon. And one of my questions when I was in my lowest point in my faith this year, that wretched man that I am, who can deliver me from this body of death? But truly it is Christ who can deliver us from this body of death. And praise God na yun yung ginawa niya all throughout this year. And every time that I look back for the year 2025, it has been 365 days that the Lord has given us life every day. And I want to thank God sa ginawa niya na yun. So it is all because of God's grace and love that He has enabled us to do that. So yun lang din po yun sa akin. Praise God.